able to create a positive and negative scale. Hello, today we're going to do a basic area chart using QuantMod and ggplot. So if you haven't installed it already, install these packages. We're going to be looking at the dataset economics with the package ggplot2. And if we look at the economics data, we can see we have a number of variables with various abbreviations. And what do these mean? Date, month and date of collection, PCE, personal consumption expenditures in billions of dollars, population in thousands, PS avert, personal savings rate, or personal savings, not PS avert, personal save RT rate, unemployed median in number of weeks, unemployment in thousands, and then we're going to be calculating returns in percentages. Okay, so we're going to compute and add this column to the data set. So to create a new variable in a data set, you need to call on the data, $, and name your new column here. And now on the right side of this equation, we're going to say this is what the equation is. And by calculating this, we're going to put the results under returns percentage. So we're going to do the difference in personal savings return divided by personal savings return minus personal savings return here. Okay, so this is a basic equation to compute the percentage of returns. Now we're going to create breakpoints and labels for axis ticks. As such, we're going to label it lubridate year, and then we're going to make our plot. We're going to do economics 1 to 100, 1 to 100. So we've got a couple extra data sets. We got a long form here, 1 to 100. And as you do those calculations and computations above here for breaks and labels, you're going to create new subvariables. Okay? The aesthetic is date as our X, returns percentage as our Y. We're going to do a geom area because this is an area chart. Scale X date. So the X is going to show it by date. Our breaks are going to be defined as our breaks listed here. And our labels are going to be listed as our labels section, as seen above. Our theme, element text angle 90. So instead of the text being like this, it's going to be turned 90 degrees. It'll be a vertical text. And then your basic labels and titles and subtitles. So as we can see here, using breaks and labels, we're able to create a positive and negative scale on the Y. Your dates are turned 90 degrees on the X, and you're able to see the economic data plotted here on personal percentage returns for personal savings above and below based on the given year and the time frame. So that's your basic area chart.